In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export withdrawal history on Coinbase. If you need a clean record for budgeting, accounting, or the taxes, exporting a CSV from Coinbase is the most reliable way to capture your withdrawals with all the details you'll need. Start by signing in to your Coinbase account on a desktop browser. Using a computer makes this process clearer and gives you access to the statements area we're going to use. Once you're in, click your profile icon in the top right corner, choose Manage Account, and then select Statements. This page is designed for creating official reports, and it's the best place to generate a comprehensive export. Next, click Generate. Here, choose the custom report options that fit your needs. Set your date range carefully so you only download the period you care about. For the export type, pick all transactions or transactions to create a CSV file. If your goal is specifically withdrawals, you may notice you can filter by transfers and then choose withdrawal types on Coinbase. However, the most reliable approach is to export the full CSV and filter inside your spreadsheet afterward. This ensures you don't accidentally miss anything and keeps the data structure intact. By the way, if you need Coinbase itself, you'll find a link to the website and the official mobile app download right at the top of the description. Use those links to access the correct site and app versions. After you've set the report options, confirm the generation. Depending on how much data you have, Coinbase may take a moment to build the file. When it's ready, download the CSV to your device. I recommend saving it with a clear name, including the date range, and storing it in a secure folder. You can open CSV files with Excel, Google Sheets, or similar tools. Inside, you'll see helpful fields like transaction IDs, timestamps, amounts, and fees. From there, apply filters to show only withdrawals so you can review totals, sort by date, or reconcile with your bank statements. If you use Coinbase Pro, the process is similar, but you'll do it from the Pro Statements page. Generate your report there to capture Pro activity in the same structured format. That's it. You've exported your withdrawal history from Coinbase and have a clean CSV you can share with your accountant or keep for your records. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to revisit it whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching.